Hello guys, welcome to Turner Forest YouTube channel where you can get to know how trading works from the beginning to the end. So if you are new to the channel, do well to hit the subscribe button now, turn on post notification, like and share to as many as possible. Let's get straight to the chat, guys.
Okay, back to the chart, guys. Like I said, I'll be making a top-down analysis on how I traded GBPUSD last week. Okay, I'll be making a top-down analysis. But then again, hope you guys are making withdrawals. Sha. Hope you made withdrawals. And if not, if the market is falling at your side, just make sure you are learning from your losses and you keep things moving. Okay, make sure you are learning from your losses and you keep things moving. So back to what I'm saying. Observing the chart on last week Sunday, I noticed that the overall trend of the market is an uptrend. So I should be looking forward to more of buys, more of buys, more of buys, more of buys. And even if I should see a sell setup, I should minimize my risks because most of the times it can just come down a little bit and then buy again, okay? And then goes back up again. So I see that the current market is actually a downtrend. So the market just ended, the downtrend just ended, and the major trend, the overall trend is actually a buy. So I went down to my lower time, 15 minutes time frame where I execute most of my trades. That's where I execute most of my trades. So on Monday, this is actually Monday. This is actually Monday. Like I said, always make sure you follow the trend. As a trader, make sure you follow the trend. So this is actually Monday. This is how I traded on Monday. Seeing that, and I trade only London session, London to New York. Okay, most of the time I trade only London session. So seeing that the market is actually forming a higher high, higher low, higher low. So on Monday around 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Once it's 8 o'clock, I'm up on the chart. I'm looking for opportunities. Okay, so the market forming another higher low here, and which is also on the trend line, and not just trend line itself. It's also in support level on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm seeing a bullish candlestick confirmation. I execute the trade immediately without hesitation. And after several ups and downs, after several ups and downs, by the time it's New York session, which is 1 o'clock, market is my TP, which is this liquidity zone here. My TP was at this liquidity zone here. So market is my TP and I was done for Monday. Then Tuesday, actually, I took two trades on Tuesday. First, around 8 o'clock, London session. When London session opens, I saw a double top here. Double top. The market's forming an M pattern, which is also on the resistance. So I was like, okay, then I should look forward to sell. Then once the market gets to this trend line again, if I you see another opportunity, I will buy. And when the market gets to this trend line, I actually missed this bullish engulfing. But then again, thank God, the market came down back there and I entered. And there was a news on that Tuesday, CPI news on that Tuesday, which puts the market up, and I made about 1:5 on a Tuesday. So that was how I took two trades on Tuesday, and they were both in profit. The first one was a sell, while the second one was a buy. And remember, the overall market is actually a bullish trend. And back to Wednesday too, I went on Wednesday, seeing the same equal high too on Tuesday. I observed the same thing also on Wednesday. But the reason why I didn't take this is because it is not yet my trading session yet. Okay, this is still around 2:30 p.m, 2:30 a.m Nigeria time, so it is not yet London session, so it is not right for me to take such trades. Okay, so I was expecting the market would come back to this place around London session, then I would take a shot, but the market they can come back to the came back to where I was targeting, and it keeps moving ups and downs. So that was how I didn't traded on Wednesday. Then going to Wednesday, the same thing that happened, the market forming an equal high, yeah, on a downward trend line. But this equal high, this side is more of like is a sell side liquidity. It's a sell side liquidity. So I didn't just place my stop loss above the side, that side. I placed it way above this resistance, and I used 20 pips. So the market first moves a little bit in my direction, then went back up, went back up, went back up. Then not quite long, I think there was a news around 1:15 p.m, 1:30 p.m. So upon getting to 1:15, immediately it was 1:30. The market pushed down in my favor, like it hit my TP straight in a couple of just 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, I hit my TP straight and I bagged more of like 40 pips that same Thursday. Then on Friday, when actually normally I was seeing a sell signal again, but then there was this minor uptrend on 15 minutes. I think the market actually broke this uptrend, and the market should have hit my TP, but then it's back up and it was stop loss. So throughout last week, I made over 4 trades in profit and just one stop loss. So that is how we are trading, and that is how we made withdrawals, my group and I, my team and I. Yeah.